Glory to the Lord on high.
Join the 16th anniversary of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Restoration Arena Stamford, coming up from Friday 11th to Sunday 13th June 2021 at the Redeemed Christian Church of God, 1069 East Main Street, Stamford, with the theme The God of Wonder. This event will start with a Holy Communion and night vigil on Friday 11th June 2021 at 9 p.m. and ministering is our Father in the Lord, Pastor Abraham Adeniji, the Senior Pastor, Redeemed Christian Church of God, Winners Chapel, Detroit, Michigan, and the Assistant Continental Overseer, Prayer America. On Saturday 12th June 2021 will be a night of praise and worship with guest minister Evangelist Peter K. Adeshola, aka Peter K. Sark. And Sunday 13th June 2021, the grand finale will be the anniversary celebration and Sunday service. Ministry is our mother, Pastor Fumi Obilano, the Senior Pastor, Redeemed Christian Church of God, Living Spring, Philadelphia, and the Assistant Continental Overseer, America. Host Pastor Bobola and Toyi Modupe, pastors in church. This service will start at 10 a.m. and will be shown through Zoom and YouTube. Feel free to join us and experience the God of Wonders at this 16th anniversary.